Hey, this is Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to your Shopify store. It's pretty simple to do. There are a few steps you need to follow, but before we begin, I can offer you 3 days completely for free, then €1 the first month when it comes to Shopify. So you won't have to pay 32, you're going to pay only $1. So link is in the description. So what you want to do is you need to go to your Shopify admin, settings, then domains. Then you want to click on connect existing domain, enter your domain such as, for example, whatever, and then click on next, click connect automatically, log into a Google Domains or 101EOS account if necessary, click connect, and then click close. Now, there is a 48 hours waiting period for the domain to be verified, but once it's verified, it will be listed in the third-party domain section of the domains page with the status connected. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to use the link in the description.